The day is breaking softly and the night is glowing true. I feel a million eyes, but I can just see you. No rain, no thunder, it's just your light, your voice, the heaven of our kiss, the wonder of our choice. So breathe, 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 darling, you can make my love your home, make my love your home. And please, 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 darling, do, if you can be right, be wrong, make my love your home.
The moon is rising somewhere in your eyes. Yes, this is real. My rain will wash your hands. Your fire came to heal. You are dance, the life we'll share, the life we came from shore. I'm shivering, sure I'm scared, but I'm all yours. So breathe,
Breathe, breathe, darling, you can make my love your home, make my love your home. Please, 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 darling, if you can be right, be wrong, make my love your home. So breathe, 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 darling, you can make my love your home, make my love your home. Breathe, please, please, darling, if you can be right, be wrong, make my love your home.
How long do we gotta stay here for people we don't know in one lines? All of the clothes are designer, fast cars and who knows who. Yeah, I know what they wanna say. They're gonna ask me if I'm gonna make it. I don't care if I'm gonna have to fake it, long as I can be real with you. You're leaning into me, saying stay with me a while. If we leave right now, we can go to a going and gone. So take me home, we can run away to another place, somewhere we can be alone. Take me home, get you elevated till we're levitating, and you know that I've been dreaming about you, girl. No, it ain't a mystery. So take me home, I want you to take me home. Another sip of that Cabernet, the way it stains your lips, I wanna taste it. Take my hand, I know we can make it out the back door. Yeah. And now you're leaning to a go and go. And I know that you know you're the one. So take me home. We can run away to another place, somewhere we can be alone. Take me home and get you elevated till we're levitating. And you know that I've been dreaming about you, girl. No, it ain't a mystery. So take me home. I want you to take me home. Take me home.